She had everything money could buy, but she fell in love with the one man who had almost nothing.
Who is he?
A hard-working farmer who lives with his elderly grandmother in a small wooden farmhouse.
Wakes before sunrise, feeds the animals, waters the crops, repairs old farm tools, sells vegetables at the village market.
She comes to the village to photograph rural life for a charity project. She struggles to walk through the muddy paths. Daniel notices but says nothing. When Sophia nearly slips, Daniel catches her before she falls.
Thank you.
Sophia begins visiting the farm every day. Daniel teaches her how to plant seeds, feed chickens, milk a cow, harvest vegetables. She laughs after getting covered in mud. For the first time in years, she feels genuinely happy.
Scatter it wide so everyone gets a fair share.
Oh, like this. They're so enthusiastic.
That's it, you're doing great. See how they follow you.
They're everywhere. I love this.
Sophia's father arrives unexpectedly. He sees her working on the farm.
Have you lost your mind? You belong in the city, not here!
Get out of my life, Dad! I'm not leaving Daniel!
He owns nothing. You deserve someone rich.
Sophia is heartbroken. Sophia returns to the city. Daniel watches her car disappear down the dusty road. Months pass. He works even harder. He secretly enters a farming competition with his best
This
harvest.
year's first prize and $10,000 goes to Soul Survivor Farm.
1 year later, Sophia
oh my God,
returns
I can't
to the
believe
village.
It. I know.
I couldn't promise you a palace, but I can promise you a lifetime of honest love.
I never wanted a palace, I only wanted you.
Yes!
True love isn't measured by wealth. It's measured by loyalty, kindness, and the courage to stand by each other through every season of life.